Hello, and welcome to another update video about ADA. Yeah, I just want to focus on the smaller time frame here today for ADA. It seems to me that the price has started this pullback I talked about. The price has, most likely started the C-wave decline in this correction, this pullback. We talked about that in yesterday's update, also in my update I sent through on Discord for gold members earlier today. I communicated that a C-wave to the downside is likely unfolding, or at least would likely start from there. At least this was my wave count. Of course, you can never rule out a direct breakout higher, but I just didn't see a clear path for it. This actually looks best, this decline into the support area, because the advantage is after this substantial low formed on Monday, hopefully substantial low, hopefully, if this is a wave one, which is questionable, I explained that really in detail yesterday, because it's not a very clear 5-wave move up, then this could have been an A wave. It looked like a 5-wave move down. That's also why I slightly favored a downside breakout here, as described. Hey, come on. So yeah, this could have been a 5-wave move down. You might see it actually. Just doing a bit of A, B, no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so like that. And then we have a triangle. It's a very clear triangle. Now, triangles are always patterns of indecision, so you never really know in which direction they break out. That's why we have to have a we can say what we prefer, but essentially it's up to the market. And then it's A, B, C, D, E. That's why I said the triangle is possibly complete, and we could move down. And now in a C wave. Now, what I sent through earlier today on Discord was the message that on the 30-minute chart, I can identify a sideways triangle, which I first mentioned yesterday. It now appears to be nearing completion, so it was a good heads up. A break above 79 cents would suggest an upside breakout, but I would need to see more structure to confirm whether this marks the start of yellow wave 3. Until then, I prefer to remain cautious and consider, and so on and so on. But yeah, and consider the possibility of a dip into the 56 to 68 cent micro support zone. So that is what's actually happening with an ideal first target for the C wave as the 100% extension target. So that's always a level that we should pay attention to. In this case, 66 cents. And then we've got the 65 cent level. As next level is the 50% retracement and the 61.8 retracement level at 61 cents. These are sort of the next levels. Below that level, it's starting to get quite deep for a wave 2, but it technically has space all the way down to 56 cents. I have to say, if it doesn't hold there, then we will probably even break below Monday's low, and then it's back to uncertainty. So what I tried to communicate in all these videos over the last few days, also in Bitcoin's video and the altcoin videos, a lot of the altcoins have very similar structures from the Monday low. And unfortunately, they are not very clear. They are not clear 5-wave patterns. I think the only one that has a decent structure is Sui. Yeah, everything, but the thing is, because we're in the late stages of a cycle, I cannot rule out that even from ugly structures like these, an upside reversal is happening. So I prefer to give you the risk levels. The market needs to figure it out. We need to keep an open mind. But for now, the microstructure is developing as intended. We just need to make sure that we understand that any sustained break below 56 cents will most likely lead to a more bearish interpretation. And that would then send us back to the larger time frame, which we can then discuss tomorrow and in the video. But if anything changes today, I will communicate that on Discord. And as a member on Discord, you can also access our live charts anyway. But yeah, these are the next levels. Now, what would need to happen now for the market to communicate that the market has something bullish in mind? So we need a break, first of all, above this swing high, which is the intraday high. Need a break above that 76 cent level. I'll make that a bit smaller. So that's like a small signal line, first signal line, yeah? The more substantial one is this. No, now it's this. So the next level is 82.4 cents. Need to get these two broken. But already a break above that last swing high would be a good signal, because it would invalidate the idea of a C wave down, right? The rapid decline right now looks like that, and I'm not labeling that because then we really dive too much into the microstructures. But it would indicate that a C wave to the downside is unfolding in this wave 2. Yeah. So yeah, that's the update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Now, if you are interested in the bigger picture, if you are interested in additional analysis that go deeper, wider, more macro, you're interested in different asset classes and a lot of additional stuff like interviews, podcasts, then make sure that you also subscribe for free to the MCO Global channel, which is now the central hub of the MCO community. So this is our new main channel, which we're going to grow in the coming weeks and months. So it would be great. I would be grateful if you could support this project. Again, it is going to be our new main channel. Don't worry, Morecryptoonline will stay as it is right now, but we will often refer to this one. Today, I've planned a video about MicroStrategy and Bitcoin together. So that's going to be interesting. A lot of people will be interested in that because it is great for us because it combines sort of the stocks community and the crypto community. But anyway, we'll talk about that in that video. Feel free to check it out. The video is linked the channel is linked in the description. Have a great day. Bye-bye.